Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to add guests to your lists or to your boards in Clickup web application. So the first thing that we need you to do now is to open uh, Clickup in your browser by typing app.clickup.com, and then it will lead you to the Clickup website, and then you will need either to create an account if you don't have one by your email, and then you will need to sign in up with it, or you can log in with your email if you already have an account in Clickup, and then you will need just to follow the simple steps. And basically, to invite or to add guests to your Clickup workspace, all you need to do is to go here in this navigation tab and then go down and click invite, and of course you are going to add the email of the person that you want here. So let's have something like that .com, and of course you are going to send invite, and by managing its role you can have it as a guest. So you are going just to click on guest, and of course he will be just a guest. As you can see, it has been converted to a guest. Or you can invite guests by going directly to your spaces or to your lists or any view that you have, and then you will go to the view and share the view, and here all the people that you are going to invite will be guests automatically. So as you can see, those are just the people that I have here. So let's just have it like that, like that. And of course, the people that you are going to invite. So let's have something like q uh, at q like that, q.com, and then we are going to invite it. And of course we want it to be a guest because we are adding guests to our space, and we are not giving it the full access because guests has only to have view only permission. And then you will click on invite, and as you can see, other people will be as guests here, and we have to give them only the view only permission, and you will have the invitation added or send it to these guests. And basically now you have guests to your ClickUp, and you have successfully added people to your workspace in ClickUp. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.